Welcome back to another video. Today we have clearance. Yes, clearance, and we got new two deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. To start here, we have a clearance a generator on clearance. This one's $8.99 down from $9.99. It says sale as it is. It says used. Most likely it's a returned item. As you guys do see, it's a really nice. It is a dual fuel, so it is propane and gas. It does have the propane equipment there on the top. It does have come with an extension cord, so all the bells and whistles on that one. Got a Mr. Heater. This one's down to 264, down from 79. Just to clarify, do not buy these generators at $999. I believe Costco has sales like $6.99 or something like that. So I would definitely wait for a sale. We got some more clearance here. These are some grills. Weber, I believe this was Weber, 150 down from 275. And then this one's $50 down from 139. So a really good deal on that one. And talking about good deals, this one's 25 down from 64. So killer deal on these two. Alright, you got the portable hybrid radio Bluetooth speaker. This one's down to 89, down from 149. I'm pretty sure this is going to drop even lower because not a lot of people are on this line. And then racks, guys. Look at this beautiful rack. And it is wired. Alright, so this one's 84 by 24, 84. Height, 309. Then we got a smaller one here. It's pretty much the same thing, but a bit smaller, 77. This one's down to $299 from $329. All right, clearance items. So you got a fire pit here, $89. Here's a shoe cover. I believe we've seen the shoe covers for like 3 months or 6 months already. And then you got this for $672, down from $26. You guys are doing remodels or have rental properties. You got a wire stripper, stainless steel, $8 down from $14. Killer deal on that one. And you got this screwdriver or bit driver, or nut driver. Yeah, nut driver. 2-piece nut driver, $5 down from $23. And then you got the load center hub there, $5 down from $9. High visibility vest, $13 down from $14, so about $1 off on that one. Not a whole lot. This one's $6 down from $13. Cobalt pulling grip. Got a Versa stack for $2 down from $8.48 dummy. And then we got $4.52 down from $17 for all the different twists. The ugly twist. They got different sizes: 105, 0.95, 0.80. So whatever your weed whacker, make sure you guys stock up on these. That's a good deal on these. Same thing with these. 13 down from 14. And here's a .105, 180 feet, $4.92. Here's another one for $3.92. Yeah, make sure you guys stock up on these guys, especially if you have a bigger yard or you know, do lawns and stuff like that, weed eaters. I found this Yellowstone here. I wanted a little price, but I did not see a price on it. Got some John Deere 48-inch, 26 down from 43. You got an air filter Kawasaki, $14. Easy Rider, $10 down from $17. Got a sander kit, 4-amp-hour battery, $190. They still have a few of these. They had more, but some of them sold out. And then they still have this kit, 3-tool combo kit with 2 batteries charger. $239. I'm still waiting for these to drop. I'm pretty sure it will. You got an indoor main lug. This one's 26 down from 32. Got some more Eagle equipment, $239 down from $299. Then you got some ice chest there, kind of like a Yeti style. This one's 20 quart hard cooler. $49 down from 99. And you got this power tool organizer, $20. It's actually the bottom one. It's the bottom one's a little bit bigger than that one. You got a 1/2 inch by 3/8. So that's pretty nice for remodels. And you got a Shark portable extract, $83 from. It's not bad. It's pretty nice. You guys have pets and all that. Same thing with this dryer. I'm not gonna go over everything as I always say, because this one's actually a pretty good, dang good deal. $3.99. This one's undermount there, $253 from $507. And then we got some windows, $163 there from $327. Same thing if you guys have remodels. $171 down from $342. And this one's $53. Wow, that's a really good deal on this one. The only thing is finding a place to fit it on. $214. And then we got some hammers, hickory hammers, 20 ounce and 16. I do prefer to go a little bit heavier. The 16 doesn't cut it for me. 20 ounces the best, or maybe a little bit heavier. 54 down from 79. We got this DeWalt compressor, $3.99 down from $4.39, so $40 off on that one. We got an accessory kit, 17 down from 29. This is actually a pretty nice kit. If you guys do smaller work. Power scrubber kit, 29 down from 49. Got a rotary tool, 44 down from 44 clearance. And then a 50-foot air hose, $19. So, and then the Flex, with the stacked lithium battery, 7 1/4, $249. That's actually pretty good. I don't know exactly which one is. Is it the one on the left or the right? Hope it's the one on the right. Somebody's gonna get lucky if they get it. Got the 18 gauge brand nailer. Get a free 2.5 amp hour battery kit for free. Got a cordless finish nailer, $2.99. And then you got a 15 angled finish nailer for $2.99. So yeah, guys, these are nail. Make sure you guys take a look at your nailers, because sometimes they put them really low. Cobalt XTR, get a free 4 amp hour high output ultimate output battery. And they still got these DeWalt deals. These are killer deals, guys. Definitely jump on these. You can choose. You buy any other tools and get 2 free power stack batteries. So that's a really good deal. So you can choose from the sander, the oscillating tool, the drywall cutout tool, the ratchet, the SDS rotary, reciprocating saw, circular saw, so a whole bunch of tools. All right, you got the rotary there and oscillating tool. Got the drywall cutout tool or drywall screw gun and the drill. Circular saw, reciprocating saw, SDS rotary, impact wrench there to the right, and then you got the ratchet, the router, and the sanding, and then you got the free gift for purchase. You got a 48 piece Craftsman. This one's down to $45.47 from $64.98. That's a pretty good deal. This one's $79 down from $99, and so forth. I'm not gonna go over all these. You got the Bora track clamp, $12 down from $15. Got a 12-inch 40-tooth combo pack blade saw. It's $19. Yeah, this is a no-brainer, guys. If you guys own a miter saw or a business, a table saw for $99. Nope, somebody put a sticker on there. They're playing with us. So they got the impact driver. Says $99. Yeah, somebody just put that there. You got 165 laser measure. Get a free accessory with it. Got some Irwin blades, $13.47 from $14.98. Here's a retractable knife, $5.97 down from $7.98. This is actually a pretty nice knife with a whole bunch of grip on it. And then the whole wall of these bags were on clearance. Make sure you guys pick them up if you guys need a massive mouth bag, 38 down from 64. Yeah, these are really nice bags. I think they make one of the best bags out there. And check out the beefness of those tires or those wheels. Got a rolling tool bag, 69 down from 99. Knife, tape and knife pouch, $11. It is compatible with the clip on and off with the tough build. You got a tape knife pouch, same thing, $8.97. You can small part the bag, $9.57 from the Cobalt. So we're moving on to the Cobalt here. Extreme Tool backpack, 35 down from 59. This one's a really nice backpack. You can even fit a laptop, whatever tools you have there. Rolling tool bag, 71 down from 79, 14-inch. Electrician's tote, $34. This one's really nice as well. And then you got the rolling backpack there with some wheels on the back, really beefy handles. And then you got these 24-gallon chest, $53. I believe like 3 years ago we got these for like $6 or something. 26-inch tool bag with window, sold out. Trade Stack Pro multi-accessory tote, 53 down from 89. This one's really nice as well. Definitely worth it, guys, especially for your trade guys. And then we got the VersaStack soft tote, 49 down from 69. A little bit different, but still pretty nice. Yeah, these are really nice. And then you got a rapid adjusted wrench, 16 down from 24. That's nice. Then you got the 8-inch linesman's pliers, Irwin. And then you got the channel lock linesman's pliers with wire cutter, $13. All right, I do recommend you guys get these self-adjusting wire strippers. Yeah, I do have something similar to that. I can make a better buy. You got some vice grips here, C-clamps on clearance. Definitely check these out. These are beautiful pliers and C-clamps. 30-inch Cobalt carts, $1.99. Pretty good deal. You got a magnetic cup holder, 13 down from $14.98. Guys, all these accessories are on clearance. Make sure you guys take a look at the smaller space here by the toolboxes. And check this one out. This one's an organizer, the one to the left. Yeah, this one. This one's an organizer here, pretty nice. You can organize pretty much anything. 15 down from 25. And then you got some a drill holster, $8. And then some other stuff there at the bottom I'm not going to go over. Alright, walking outside, this is what I ran into. So, pressure washers, guys. So, big ticketed items are on clearance. Alright, so this one's $2.99 there from $3.49. It's only missing some nozzles, so spend a couple bucks and get those nozzles. And then this one's a Honda powered. This one's regular price $5.29. It's down to $5.66. Pretty nice. And then they got this electric one from the Green Works, $1.99 down from $2.49. I'm pretty sure you guys could work something out with the manager. And then you got this mower. It's a pretty nice mower. This one is $2.09 down from $4.19. Says display model. And then this one's $1.49 down from $2.99. That's it right there. Pretty much bare bones type of. And then we went to another store, and this is what we found. Because I had some downtime in between jobs, so I went to another store. So $33 for the other tool, and then $4.59 for this one. And this one does not have a lower price, so I don't know. You can write $3 if you want. This one's a 20-inch scrubber, most likely like a professional grade scrubber. Never seen one of these. These things are huge, massive. And then the lawnmower, the Eagle lawnmower that we always see that says that it doesn't run, it's down to 50 bucks. I'm pretty sure it's just missing a battery, so make sure you guys test it before you buy it, if you're gonna buy it. Yeah, so it's down to 50 bucks. And then you got the lawnmower there. This one does not have anything in there. Got a weed whacker here, $52. I'm from 149. There's a whole bunch of these. Even just for the engine, it's worth it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And then they got the blower and string trimmer combo, $239. They're from $299 from the Eagle. A few models back, 530 CFM, very respectably or respectable. 2.5 amp hour battery. All right, here and then here's some more clearance that I saw at the other store, which you guys are not gonna believe the prices on these. 60 bucks down from 299. That's cheap. 70 bucks on this one, Craftsman. My guess is the batteries are in there. I didn't even check. But yeah, that's a killer deal on these. So definitely check it out. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.